A lot of people come to Gambia every day, and if you ask them why they keep coming to Gambia, they don't give you a good answer in words. So, you see this? This is a cake. I've been looking at this cake, I've been eyeing this cake on the road for the past couple of days. Never tasted the cake before, and I'm going to taste it now. This is what Gambia is about. Gambia is about adventure, new horizons. That's what Gambia is about. So here it is. Anybody who will know what the name of this cake is, please let me know. Please. But I'm going to taste it and see if I like it. Ciao. It's a sweetness on top. The flour is good. It tastes like coconut. It's good. This is why people keep coming back to Gambia. It's just an adventure.